This is my spring 2026 FabFitFun box. This is full of all kinds of goodies for the home, for my body, for clothing, for favorite. I don't know what's in here. I'm going to unbox this. You like an unboxing? Stick around. You like FabFitFun? Stick around. You like me and just watching random people on YouTube? Stick around, I guess. Let's get into it.
Give me the time and place. Tell me what do you say? Freeze up, please up. I get nervous just to look at you.
Hi, I'm Jeanique, and I like to add nice things to my home, and FabFitFun lets me do that at a discount. So I take that discount and I run very fast with it. Have you subscribed? I'd really appreciate it if you did. It would really help my channel to grow, which I'm trying to do at the moment. I'm at about 3,000 subscribers currently, and I'm trying to get that number to go up and up. So help a girl out, do the thing. Now let's get back to the video. Look at the spring lady. Isn't she pretty? I like that. I'm just take you one at a time. Yeah. Okay, so this is from the brand Urban Kitchen, and it is a oil and vinegar bottle. I mean, oil or vinegar, I'd imagine. You can't put both. But I usually just use the oil bottles that I buy from the grocery store, and I just use the olive oil from that and just keep it pushing. But I thought I could be fancy. I could put it in a cute ass bottle and make it pretty. And maybe I'll get a second bottle for my vinegar. Can you imagine like a little stack of things? I think that would be incredibly cute. But for now, we just have a bottle for olive oil. I can see when it's sort of dwindling down, and I can always top it up and make it pretty. This is what I have next, y'all. And this is from Veluspa. It's Vanilla Visions. Y'all, it's a fragrance. Now, I don't get very many fragrance from FabFitFun because usually the ones they have available, I am not interested. But this one I was curious about. You know, I have candles from this brand currently in my bedroom, literally currently in my bedroom. And I love how the candles smell. And all of the candles I have from this brand, are all vanilla scents, and so maybe they just do vanillas really well. And this is the box. Isn't that pretty? Take a look, y'all. It feels very luxe, like it feels really nice. Oh my goodness, they gave me a little thing so I can, oh, it says use code to order 50% off of my next order. Hello, I'm into that. So if I wanted to order more fragrances, I could. Oh, that is an amber vanilla. It reminds me, is it a Laura Mercier? I think it's a Laura Mercier vanilla fragrance called Amber Vanilla. It's very similar but slightly fresher. Like maybe there is some lavender, or even not even just lavender, but maybe something minty in here. I'm not sure, but this is very pretty. It smells like a very light everyday vanilla for the body. Nice everyday vanilla. This is me. This is so me. Let me show you the bottle because it's pretty. That's pretty, right? I like the bottle. I like the sort of ridging on it. It feels like glass. It feels heavy, feels substantial. It's a magnet, y'all. I feel fancy. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying I feel fancy. And Veluspa, they did that. Okay, let's move on, guys. Okay, next one. I got another picture frame. I got a picture frame about a year ago, and I liked the one I got. It was very good quality, and I thought, and another one. This is from the brand Rifle Paper Company. It feels very different from the last one, which was metallic and gold and squiggly, but I liked the sort of flowery feel and look of this one. Oh, it feels nice. It feels very light though. I think this is gonna be a very, I think it's a really nice one. Maybe big pictures of me and my sister because this feels very innocent, right? Cute. Let me show you. So I got some stemless wine glasses / cocktail glasses with matching straws. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look. That is lovely. Again, love the ridging, love the glass. It feels nice and luxe. I'll show you all the colors because you want to see. there is a green. It doesn't look green this far away, but if I put it up close, you see this very deep, almost forest green. This is orange, but like very deep in the orange. This is maybe my favorite color of the bunch. These straws came with, no, these straws could be selected. And I noticed when I was looking at the straws, I think the straws were the same colors as the glasses. So I think they go together. And wouldn't I love some matching straws for my cocktail glasses? Because will I be drinking this summer? Yes, I will. Straw cleaner. And here are the straws, y'all. Can you see that? They go together, y'all. That is from the brand Ken. So we got some glassware. Okay, so for one of the customization, I think it was customization 4, there wasn't a lot there that I wanted. And I played with a few options, including lip glosses. I don't need more lip glosses, but I have been flat ironing my hair more recently, and I usually just go very basic because I don't know what I'm doing. And when I saw that there was a heat protector from Fenty, I figured it couldn't hurt to try something else from what I have to see if I get a different effect, because I have not been happy with my skill set in this category. My hair ends up very frizzy and like, especially by end of the day. And I'm hoping this helps with that. The next item I'm opening up, I know what this is. This is also kitchenware. I thought this would come in handy. I'm always making single serving items all the time, and using that big ass stainless steel bowl like I'm cooking for 4 people don't make no sense most of the time. This just made a lot more sense to me. It's from the brand called Golden Rabbit. It's enamelware, and it is a small dishwasher. It's handmade. It's dishwasher safe, BPA free, and lead free. Avoids soaking stainless steel rim and all of that stuff. Like I said, you're just going to season up and all of the things, and then you just put your little cover on and put it away. This is so practical, y'all, and I'm very happy with the color and everything. They had another color, it was almost like a sage green, and even though I'm a green girly, in terms of the colors I just liked how sort of a contrasty the blue and white were in this instance, so I ended up going for that color this time around. Ooh. I got a handbag, y'all. I got a handbag. Let's open this up. I think it looks very classy. There is a long strap on the inside that I can attach. I think this looks very classy. I like the color. It's a color that I do not have, and I think I'll get a lot of classy use out of it. Don't it look like me? And I feel like it does. I'm into this. Okay. Maybe I'm too easy to please, because I see people doing these videos and they're frequently dissatisfied with the items they select. And I'm frequently going through these boxes like, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. And I don't know what that's about, but I'm genuinely happy. So there we go. Maybe my standards aren't high enough, y'all. I have 3 more items in here. Let's go from biggest to smallest. So this is a journal, because I'm going to be a planner in 2026, y'all. It's planner, your tools, productivity pillars, y'all. They're going to teach me how to be productive. Your ideal environment, finding your focus, goal planning, monthly overviews. Hello. I should have started this already. I should have. Weekly and daily planning, goal reflection. So as you can see, I have my goal breakdowns, goal notes, summarize, why, success, next steps. Y'all, my whole life's about to change. You're planning daily, set your priorities, planning examples. Y'all, this is nice. Weekly overviews, habit tracker, my whole life is going to change because of a planner. I've never had a planner in my life. I keep everything in my brain and on Google Calendar. Maybe this is what I needed to be more productive. Who knows? Maybe this is it. I'm very optimistic about these things. I always think the next thing is about to change my life. It's a problem and not a problem at the same time. So here we go. This is from the brand Heaven Mayhem. Do I know what this is? I absolutely do not know what this is. We're going to open it up anyway. This was my customization 1 choice. It's a watch because I love analog watches. Tell me that's not pretty. Tell me that's not. That looks so dainty and pretty. Now, I love a chunky ass watch. If you know me, you know I love a chunky watch. However, every now and then, a girl wants to be a dainty guap. Okay, there we go. Can you see? I need to make that a little tighter, but I think it looks really pretty. I think it's a flex. Also funny, this bracelet is also from FabFitFun. And look, I wear it. I do. I wear the things that I pick up. They aren't just for show, y'all. My current gold watch, I need a new battery and I've procrastinated getting it changed. So I don't currently have a watch to wear. And I don't have like a smartwatch. I don't like how they look. They're so practical, but they're so ugly. And I don't want it. Can they look like this? I just want them to look like this. Can like a smartwatch just look like this? If you know of any, let me know. I've thought about getting an Aura instead because I love rings. But even that's fucking ugly. I just don't want it. I don't want it. I make cave though. This is from Olive and Piper. I was getting these ads on Facebook and I'm going through their stuff and I'm like, that looks familiar. And then I realized I'd selected something from the company on FabFitFun. These algorithms, scary because they're recommending things to me that I know I already want, which is wild. It's supposed to be a ring. Speaking of rings, it's a daintier ring than I typically go for, but it had a green stone slash faux emerald. I don't think it's real. And my birthstone is an emerald. And so look how pretty. Can you see? I'm going to put it on. Let's put it on this one. It's a little big for that finger. So let's try my middle finger. I think I picked a size 7, which is supposed to fit that finger, but it's fine. It's fine. Ooh, maybe it's too big. It's too small for, oh no, it's fine. I was just being too dainty with it. You see that? Isn't that pretty? I think it'll make like a good stackable ring. Not that like any ring that I'm wearing right now is good for stacking. My good stacking. Okay, I have one here that could maybe work as a stacking ring. It's too big for this finger, but it's too big. It's too big. It can't work. Maybe a different ring. Okay, maybe no. None of my rings on right now currently work as a stacking ring. But isn't it pretty and dainty? It's so unlike me. I'm going to wear this tomorrow and feel beautiful. Thank you. So, y'all, that was everything. The reasonable amount of items I got from FabFitFun. I always need to do like a quick rundown against my order to make sure I'm not missing anything. No one will scam me. I will scam myself. So I will go through and see if I got everything that I ordered, but it looks like it, and I'm very excited about it. I don't know what my favorite item is. Is it the fragrance? Is that too obvious? Is it the watch? Is that too obvious? Is it these bowls? Is that too obvious? Is it just obvious that I love all the things? I think that's the decision. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me and unboxing my FabFitFun box for spring 2026. Maybe this video will go up in a reasonable amount of time because I somehow just sit on these FabFitFun videos because I'm not a part of that specific ecosystem. I just happen to be a fan. So no one ever really watches them other than my friends. So thank you, friends, for hanging out with me and seeing what I got. And let me know which one of these would you have gotten? Which one of these is a vibe for you personally? Is it the jewelry, the home goods, the kitchenware, the handbag, or the fragrance? I would love to know. Yeah, thank you for being here with me. I'll see you in the next one. I have more fragrance videos to come, obviously, because that's mostly what I focus on this channel. So I'll see you for those. Bye, y'all.